It's really comfortable for the price, and yeah, so let's get in with this review. So this Ford Focus has a 2-liter straight 4 engine, which is a good amount. It's a good size engine. It has 4 valves per cylinder, which is it's normal. This car has 160 brake horsepower, which is a good amount for a car at this size and at this price range. This car comes in a 6-speed manual. There's no automatic option, there's nothing. This car is front wheel drive because it's a Ford, and it weighs 1.3 tons, which is a lot. Well, not that much compared to other competitors. This car, the fuel economy on this car is good, really good actually. When you drive it on normal mode, it does 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers. When you put it on eco mode, it does 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers, which is a major drop, and it's really good. This car starts, for brand new, it starts at 329,000 Rand, or $19,200 in the USA, which is a good amount for the luxuries you get in this car. So now let's move on to the back of this Ford Focus. So now we are at the back of this Ford Focus, and as you can see, it looks really nice at the back. You can see it's a Ford Focus because it has its distinctive look. It doesn't look like a Fiesta or another Ford. You can see the attention to detail is kind of nice. It moves with the glass. It's really cool. It's got Eco Boost stickers because Ford is very well known for the Eco Boost. Then you have got your bumpers here. Nothing else to say. And you've got this type of wiper. It looks like the E60 BMW 5 Series Tourings. No, wiper one. And now we're gonna open this boot and let's see how it is. Yeah, it's gonna that took kind of long. Didn't want to open. So as you can see, it is a big boot. This car does have a big boot. It's got a nice cover, which I'll literally just move right now. You can see that the lights here just don't go up on the tailgate, and I kind of like that. And you don't have those ropes which go with the boot. I don't know if it's on this car or is it on all Focuses. I don't know. I'm gonna have to research that. But this is the back of this Ford Focus. Yeah, I have nothing else to say here. So let's move on to the inside of this Ford. So now we are inside the Ford Focus's interior, and all I have to say, it is a nice interior. It's a normal Ford interior. So we're gonna start up this Ford Focus and let's go through the interior. As you can hear, it sounds like a 3-cylinder. If you can you hear I think it sounds like a 3-cylinder. So this is the interior of this Ford Focus, and it is a nice interior. As you can see, you do have that little screen over there. As you can see, I don't know if you want me to do a video on a brief explanation how it works. Then over here we just have the traditional Ford controls, and yeah, this is all for that thing. It's a bit complicated. It is kind of complicated. Then over here you do have your 6-speed manual, which is nice. You do have like half electric air conditioning, which, what I mean half electric is that you do have that. You have that, and then this is electronic, which is pretty nice. And then over here you've got your specific cup holders, as you can see. Yeah, you've got your USB over there for charging your phone, and you also have another one over here. And over here we've got our steering wheel, our odometer. Let me just quickly take that away. That, and then we have got all our other little things over here, as you can see. Then we have our Ford steering wheel. It is a kind of a good quality steering wheel. It still doesn't feel as premium as the other competitors, but it's okay, I'm not complaining. Then over here we do have our lights, and then what's kind of cool is when you press here, you can adjust the lights. It's pretty cool. And then over here we have got our to unlock and lock our car. Over here we've got our windows, but it's only on the front, because this is not the top of the line. This is the, I don't know what this is. And then over here we've got our dash, which is pretty nice, and that's our passenger door. It's pretty nice also. And then we have also just the eco thing, and we've got our lighter, and I have nothing else to say here. It's only the controls there. And yeah, our hazards, we do have the one touch, as you can see. The one touch for the indicators or the blinkers, however you call it. Like as you see, when you just tap it once, it goes 3 times. When you just fully tap it, it just carries on going, which is, it's not that special anymore, because now every car has that. So I think we're done at the front of this car. Let's move on to the back of this car. Sorry about those sunrays, I could take the car off here. Yeah. So let's now go to the to the back of this car. So this is the back of the Ford Focus. It is kind of plain. I have nothing to say. As you can see, you do have this nice pattern on the seat. It's pretty cool. And then when you come in, you do have a reasonable amount of space. It's not bad, as you can see. And then that's when the seat is all the way pushed back. And over here you do have your car. You can access the boot from here. You don't have an armrest. And yeah, this is how the door looks like from this car. Hey, it looks good. It doesn't look that bad. As I told you, you do have a manual mirror, and then no, window, not mirror. Sorry about that. You do have this plastic door handle which can break kind of easily, and this is the view from the back of to the car. It's okay. The interior is okay. So as I told you in my previous reviews, I'm going to give each car a rating out of 10. I'm going to give this car a rating 9 out of 10. It's because it's a nice car. It does a job well. It does everything you want. But it's just something is in this car that is making it a 9 out of 10. And it's a nice car. It's got the Aston Martin bro. It's really, really nice. So I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you at my next video. At my next video, I might be reviewing another car. Let's see about that. Goodbye. Have a nice day and enjoy.